Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error when you sign in using PIN or password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and the error code is 0x8009002d. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix the error code 0x8009002d when you sign in using PIN or password, then I'll show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. In this you will find here in left side accounts, click on that. Come to the right side, here you will find sign in option, click on that. In this you will see PIN, click on that. If you have set up any PIN, you will find here remove option, you can just remove it. After that, just close this window, open the CMD, right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. In this you have to just copy paste the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy from there. I had already copied. Just have to press Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter. After that, it's close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the error code 0x8009002d. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.